that Mr. President's mandate to me on the 18th of March 2025 was to stabilize and create an enabling environment in the state to ensure the re-establishment of state institutions and to return the state back to democratic governance. Of course, which meant that we had to have a local government administration in place. And so, with the successful conduct and subsequent swearing in of the local government chairmen and their councils, I want to believe that we have achieved the mandate that we were given. And so that also prepares the way for us to return the state to those who were elected to govern. Let me, on behalf of the people and government of Rivers State, commend RISEC, chairman and the members of the committee, and all of the management of RISEC for a job well done.